Welcome to Scrape Genius. How to send bulk WhatsApp messages? In this video, we'll show you how to send WhatsApp messages to multiple users in just a few simple steps. First, scrape your data, then click on the WhatsApp button and click on Bulk WhatsApp. We recommend entering at least 5 different messages. Simply type or paste your messages into the text area shown. Click the Add button to add each message. You can also enter multiple messages at once by separating them with commas. Click Add again. After that, click on the Show Messages button to view all the messages you've added. From here, you can easily remove any message if needed. Once you're ready, click the Send button. A Chrome browser will open automatically, where you'll need to link your WhatsApp account using WhatsApp Web. After linking, the messages will begin sending automatically to your business WhatsApp users. Once all messages are sent, you'll see a success message in the tools pop up. Thank you for watching.